Welcome back to Davil AI Matrix, where we explore the boundaries of technology and creativity in the modern digital era. Look closely at this incredible animation sequence. You might think this was crafted by a giant studio like Pixar or DreamWorks. However, the truth is far more shocking because this entire masterpiece was generated completely by artificial intelligence using simple text commands. Today, I will show you exactly how to achieve this professional quality using a revolutionary tool that changes everything forever. Meet Flover.ai, the ultimate AI video agent that combines the most powerful generative models into one single workflow. It integrates top-tier image generators like Nano Banana Pro and Midjourney V7 to ensure your visual foundation is absolutely flawless. For motion, it harnesses the raw power of Sora 2 and Kling 1.0, pushing the boundaries of what video AI can do. It even utilizes VEO 3.1 specifically for advanced lip syncing, ensuring your characters speak naturally and convincingly in every single scene. Let us begin the process with the first step, which is ideation and scripting directly inside the intuitive chat interface. Simply type your rough concept into the box and watch as the AI expands it into a fully detailed screenplay. You can refine the dialogue, adjust the tone, and structure your narrative arc before moving forward to the visual production phase. Once your story is locked in, the system prepares to translate those words into concrete visual descriptions for the generation engine. Now we move to the configuration settings where you define the technical parameters that will govern your final video output. Select the standard 16:9 aspect ratio for cinematic viewing, or choose vertical formats if you are targeting mobile platforms. You also have full control over the total duration of the project, allowing you to manage the pacing of your story. Don't forget to set the primary language, as this determines the localized nuances for both the script and the voice generation. Next is the exciting storyboard phase, where the AI generates a sequence of static panels to visualize your narrative flow. A critical feature here is character consistency, ensuring your protagonist looks exactly the same across every single shot and angle. You can select specific art styles from hyper-realistic render to stylized 3D animation to match the mood of your unique script. If a specific frame does not look right, you can instantly regenerate it until it matches your vision perfectly. Once the storyboard is approved, these high-resolution images serve as the anchor frames for the video generation process that follows. Now we enter the animation stage, where static beauty transforms into dynamic motion, using advanced video-to-video and text-to-video algorithms. The AI interprets the context of the scene to apply appropriate camera movements, lighting shifts, and character actions automatically. Even complex actions like running or fighting are handled with surprising fluidity, thanks to the integration of the Kling model. For dialogue scenes, the VEO model precisely maps mouth movements to the audio, eliminating the uncanny valley effect often seen. You can review each generated clip individually, ensuring that the motion is smooth and the physics appear realistic and grounded. A film is nothing without sound, so we now integrate high-quality audio using the built-in 11 Labs and Suno API connections. Generate emotive and realistic voiceovers for your characters in seconds, choosing from a vast library of different accents and tones. Simultaneously, Suno creates a custom background score that perfectly aligns with the emotional beats and tempo of your animated story. The system automatically synchronizes these audio layers with the visual track, saving you hours of manual timing and sound engineering. We bring everything together in the multi-track editor, a powerful interface that resembles professional software like Premiere or Final Cut. Here you can trim clips, rearrange the sequence, and fine-tune transitions to ensure the narrative flows smoothly from start to finish. The multi-track system allows you to layer sound effects, background music, and dialogue independently for a rich and immersive soundscape. Add final touches like color correction or special effects directly within the browser before rendering the final version of your movie. When satisfied, you can download the video directly to your device or export the project file for Adobe Premiere Pro. We have just created a studio-quality animation from scratch using Flover.ai, proving that creativity has no limits today. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Davil AI Matrix. Subscribe now for more insights into the future of AI.